Alright, I'm just gonna see how far I can get, and I'm gonna play as Funny Bandit guy. Go. I do suck at roguelikes, so we'll see. You know, we'll see. I don't play on Monsoon because I'm not bad. So we'll see. Bandit is probably the most comfortable character that I understand, at least to the extent that I do understand him. I know that L2 is backstab, which gets up hemorrhage, which could be good if I can stack it, but we'll see, you know, we'll see. I'm on Monsoon, I'm probably gonna die. I'm going to die. The thing I can't manage with this is like what to put on to make myself better. I do like Confessor, but like I know I make wrong decisions all the time. Yeah, I just do. So, yeah. Oh, big guy. Big guy. Big guy. I don't know if it does extra damage or... Actually, I think I can look. If I go like this... Okay, well... One critical strikes... Also, okay, I understand. Oh. Stand, but I'm also hitting. I haven't found a single chest yet. Kind of want one. So I just want one. I think they want my money. Oh. Critical strikes. Wait, don't I have something that gains insect crit? Okay, what is that? Oh wait, no I didn't. Wait, but... Interesting. I'm so confused. Let me jump down here, and I think if I do this... Okay. Oh, gambling time. I do like myself a fizzy pop. Okay. One more. I knew it. Chance to bleed enemies on hit. That's probably good. And now I have no money. Because I gambled it away. I need more money. And... Okay, I can open that. And more fizzy pop. I'll take my chances. Probably get something really good. That's okay. But I'm not always sprinting, so I don't know. Okay, I don't think we'll make it much further with anything else. So I think we'll go fight the teleporter boss now. Let's see where that gets me. Oh! I don't mind not being bugged in. It shot me. Oh, chest. Got that. How do I get back up there? Do I have to take the long path? I don't... Guess I can... do that now. I'm taking the bleed. I think that's probably smart. I think I do have to go all the way around, unless I'm stupid. There's a way up over there. Which there probably was. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it can either be that giant stone dude The jellyfish or the ant? My guess is the jellyfish. No. Hide it. I don't like him because he has a laser that I can't dodge, but I'll just hide under here. Never mind. Okay, watch this move. You won't see it coming. Okay. Okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Stop shooting at me. What did I get? Sure. I'll take it. Probably will be good. And through the teleporter. What is that on my head? Oh, it's the nose moves. You will die first. No, I hate those things. They're such a pain. I've died to them so many times. I'm telling you, that's how I'm gonna die. I already know it. If I get that far, where they get that blue upgrade. See, I don't even know the terminology for this game. I'm not fit for this. Can I open this now? Charge the shield. Good. That's pretty good. Oh, I see the teleport. Market. Market. Thank you. Why is everything so expensive already? Oh my god, it's 100. And where is all the enemies? Like, I need the money. Hello? So, I understand it's a backstab, but do I have to backstab them? Wait, I might have to, actually. Wait, hold on, let me put this on you. I think I do. I mean, it makes sense, but, like, I just wanted to make sure. I'm cautious like that. Oh yeah, with this, if you kill the enemy, you get to use it right again. I remember liking that a lot. I like that a lot. Because that made it very fun. Let me go see what is in that. Some goodies, probably. Goodies for me. Oh, Wax Quail. Oh! Wax Quail is fun. Does my character even scale with attack speed? Like, no. Because even... I'm gonna get Quail. I wanna... Can I? No, I can't. I want this. Give me. I think. Pretty sure that means lunar. So, oh yeah. I like this because I like fast. I probably should get going though soon. I'm just making it harder for me. The wrong one. I do have a confession to make. I have not beat this game, like in terms of the boss. I've gotten up to the boss before, but I keep dying on this one singular move. And I don't know how to dodge it, because I'm bad with timing stuff. I've played through Elden Ring, but I don't think that corresponds as much as I wanted to. I may have been a baby in Elden Ring 2 and used the Mimic a few times. So, maybe I didn't even win. Maybe I didn't even beat Elden Ring. Ooh, I want equipment. Quantum. Ooh. Scare me. quantum tunnel between. I don't remember how this works. I think. Okay. And then I go. Wow. Fun, I guess. Okay, I really need to either get items or get out of here. I'm wasting so much time. Healing. Drone shore. I'll gamble. Okay, that's all I'm gonna gamble. Okay, I think it's time I get go. Over to the teleporter now. I feel like on this map, a lot of the time I've been getting, it's the jellyfish. I don't know why. Maybe because of those floating jellyfish, that's why I think that, or I might be right. I'll find out. Show me jellyfish. Yes. Do it. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. Create a teleporting key, because I know he does EMP sometimes. Not that EMP, like a really large EMP move that can like kill me instantly. I just gotta be careful. I don't remember him doing this in the base game though. I mean in the lower difficulty, so it's just part of Monsoon. Oh wait, that's it. I can't quite get. I'm ready. It's okay. I'm just gonna wait it out. I'm not going in it. How am I supposed to wait? I don't know who to focus on. There's something going on. Oh my god! I'm getting jumped. Oh my god. It was never this bad in the face game. What the heck? I didn't expect it to die that fast. Okay, well, that's it.